No. Did it? There it is. I have it. Okay, I have it. Won't be the greatest of views. All of a sudden we're in the way and all these cars are coming through. Darken it just back a little bit. Oh, come on. And you can see there's air distortion. I am so glad we finally saw one today. We've been looking for weeks. We always look in the spring for them. And I don't know if... Could there be another one here nearby? I don't know. So good to see one. Let's see if we can get... Now, again, it's not very close, so it's not easy to get good close-ups. And we've got air distortion, unfortunately. Hey. And just heard a downy. Where'd the... Oh, it's still there. Isn't it a beautiful bird? Really. And their numbers are dwindling, so anytime I can see one, I do my best to see it. What was that? Oh, and flying away, just saw an osprey. And the pigeons, the nest, I think it just went to its nest. Trying to get things steady. Now where is it? Hold on. Oh, I know where it is. We see woodpeckers often. You know, we see downies and haries and northern flickers and yellow-bellied sapsuckers and even pileatids. Am I missing anybody? And, oh, and red-bellied woodpeckers.